Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. Today we will understand the mail merge in OpenOffice. So student, this is fifth part of the digital documentation advanced part in which you learn how to implement the mail merge. Okay, so in this we will learn how to demonstrate the print the label. Okay, I will tell you what is the label using mail merge to do the following achieve. So after that we understand how to create main document. Okay, and then create a data source, that is database, where the friend list will be stored there, and enter data, okay, to the field mail merge. Okay, the merge the data source with the document and edit individual document, and at last print the letter and address of the label. So let's begin, student. So first of all, before I will start this particular one thing, what is mail merge? Student, actually when we are sending a multiple copy to the friends for an invitation, okay, on marriage, okay, you have noticed that one thing, the content are same but address and name of the person is different. So such type of thing if you are doing in a using the computer, this is termed as mail merge. Okay, so there are two important thing to create the mail merge, that is main document and second one thing, data source. So I will teach you what is that. To open that one thing we have to click on open for office. So here are two important things, student, that is main document and second one thing, data source. Okay, student. So actually these two important thing before we, that is when they say we are going to implement the mail merge. Main document where our content will be placed like letter. Okay, data source means a list of the friends where you want to send the letter, okay, in a form of print format or mail format, okay, or this one thing. So first of all I will cover this one thing, student. First one thing, demonstrate the print label using mail merge. So student, to do that we have to understand, we have to go to file option, then after that new. Inside that new we will see a label option will be there. Okay, inside a label there are three options, that is tab, label, format and option. So label contain which type data source we have to select. Okay, there are number of data source available, okay, if you will create it. So suppose that I have created a list one, okay, my friend list, okay, which is table, that is list table, okay, data field, Mr., Mrs., first name, everything will come here. Okay, second thing, format. Format means in which position you are going to place your label, according to the height and row in centimeter. Okay, and second, next one thing, entire page you want to do and single page one thing. Otherwise if you have already, just synchronize it. Okay, so we have to just understand how to do that. So now after that, create new document. Now you can see that friend has come. Okay, it meant to say friend label is there in my list option, so it will represent here. Now student, I'm going to discard it. So student, I'm going to create mail merge by step. So I have teach you how to demonstrate and print the label, okay, for like friend. Okay, now we are going to perform the mail merge step by step. So first step, how to create a document. As you know how to create a document, you have to open a file and type the letter. So I have already a content, okay, so I will place here from my content. Okay, so I will copy the some letter content here. So this is my content which I am going to place here. So you can see, suppose this is my letter format, okay, where you want to merge to number of the person. So what I will do, student, I will delete it, I will keep it simple. So now you have to go to tool option, okay, and then go to mail merge wizard. Okay, student. So in this wizard you can see number of the option available here. First one thing, use current document. It means to say what I opening this current document, I will use that. Create a not new document. Okay, by that you can create new document from existing document, whatever they already saved. Start from template, using a template, okay, or start from recently saved document. So in this case, student, we are using this current document. So press next option, and we are sending letter, so keep it in letter only. Then after that you can see that select the different address list. Okay, this is insert a address block. So what we have to do inside that, select the different button, press, and we are going to create a new one thing. So student, in which in this we are going to add only 3 fields. So till then what we have to do, we can delete everything. Okay, customize option, and then after that delete all. Okay student, now we are going to add, first thing is name, add. Second one thing, suppose that address, and then email ID, and at last phone number. Okay, I have added this one thing, and okay, and I am going to provide the student name. Suppose that Ajay Kumar, address is okay Almoda, Ajay at gmail.com as email ID, phone number suppose like this one thing. Okay, and then new, Kamal Kumar, address is Pitharagarh, email address kamal at gmail.com, phone number something like this, and other student name Anil Bhandari, suppose that address is Agra, email address anil at gmail.com, phone number something like this. Okay student, so I have created this particular database, and now suppose that this is my list 2, my friend list 2. It will ask me save this particular list in CSV format, so I have stated save that. CSV means a comma separated value file. Okay, and then I'm going to select list 2. You can see current address list 2. So now student, it will allow me to arrange the block. Okay, so we need to just see which one is according to us. If you don't want, you have to just click. If you want to create your own, click on this one thing. So already there are number of the format available here. So what we have to do, student, click on new option, and after that you can click on this particular option, that is name. Okay, and then after this address line 1, navigate it down by pressing this button, and then after that email address, navigate down, and at last a telephone number. Okay, then down, press button, okay button. Okay, so there is no such type of this one thing matched. Okay, so what we have to do, student, in title first name will be name. Okay, and address 1 will be address, and a city. Okay, no, not city. In this we are using telephone number. Okay, like phone number, okay, and then email ID is a email ID. Okay student, now press OK student. Then after that you can see data has come like this, and then next option. Now student, in next option we can see salutation. We do not need to just use a salutation, uncheck this one thing. Okay, and then after that click on next option. Then you can see adjust the layout. According to this you can set the layout of your content. Okay, from top, bottom, left. Okay, and then after that next option. So here student, if you want to edit your document, how it looks, so you need to do just click on edit document. Now you can see the data has come just below to this line. So what I will do, student, I will just make it down. Okay, and then after that you can see the data has come like this also. Okay, so what we have got to do, return to mail merge wizard. Okay, now next option, now we have done the edit. Next option, so you can see this one, edit individual document. Now you can see edit individual document. You can see in every document you can see student, the detail has changed. The first person is Ajay Kumar Armoda, second is Kamal Kumar, third one is Bhandari. So like this one thing. So go to the mail merge back again, and then after that you have to click next option, and then start saving starting document, merge document. Okay, so we are going to save the document. It will be saved with new file. Okay, that is my merge data. Now you can see student, this has come, finish. So this we have completed, student, how to perform the mail merge, and now we can print it out according to our requirement. Okay student, we have learned how to perform the, I may say, do the mail merge, and now edit individual document, we have done it. Print the letter as a print label. You can just print it through the any printer that you like PDF writer. Okay, so print it. Now you can see I will save it in desktop to show you how it looks. Name is Untitled 2, and now I will minimize it. Now you can see Untitled 2 will open, and now you can see letter has been printed. Okay, with all contents. Can you see student? So this is the way how to mail merge. Okay student, now we need to understand how to create our own data source, student. Okay, so now in this particular way we have learned what is how to print the labels, mail merge, do following achieves. Okay, the create and mail document, create data source we have done. Okay, enter data in fields, mail the data source, main document, edit individual document, we have done it, and printed at last. Now student, we are going to understand how to create own data source. It meant to say data list without using this one thing operation. So what we have to do, open Office. Okay, then after that click on text file, and then go to file and spreadsheet. Inside the spreadsheet you will save your file. Okay, suppose that here is name and here is phone number. Okay, suppose that here name A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, and here phone number is 123 321 456 651 768 9. Okay, see, these are my phone number and details. So what I will do, students, save it. Okay, so it will ask me to save this one file, so I will save inside 10th folder. Okay, online classes. Okay, here inside 10th classes. So suppose that my list is 4. Okay student, I have saved this and close this. Okay, now what I will do, student, go to the file option, then after that go to wizard, and inside wizard we can see that data source. Okay, so you have to just select other external data source. Okay, and next option, setting, it will ask database, dbase. Yes, you will save the database option. So now go to browse option, and you have to remember where you have saved the file. So you can go to the online classes, I am to say where I have saved inside 10th class. OK button, and then test connection. Now it will show you the test connection successfully. OK, and then next option, so it will character set system. Okay, so you can see that number of the option are there, so display the recorded as well as. Okay, so here you can see, and then finish option. So do you want to set it up address data source? Yes, so here you can see that addresses, this one thing, so file name is addresses, and finish. So now you can see, student, new option, label. So now you can see addresses. So in this you can see the list are going to be formatted as I mentioned earlier time. Okay, so today we have understand, student, how to perform the mail merge. Okay, actually what is mail merge, demonstrate the label using mail merge, how to create a main document, creating a data source. Okay, enter data into a field, and mail merge data source with the main document, and edit individual document and print the data source also. So today, student, we have learned how to perform the mail merge. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.